Right to matrimonial home. A wife has the legal right to stay in the matrimonial home under any circumstances, that is, even after her spouse dies. If there is a case of divorce, the woman may choose to live in her matrimonial home until there is a proper place for her to move in. She can legally stay in that home if she wants to. Right to Sridhan. Sridhan is the property which a woman obtains at the time of her marriage. It is different from the dowry in a way that it is a voluntary gift given to the wife before or after her marriage, and there is no element of coercion. The courts have clearly said that women will have absolute rights over their Sridhan even if it is placed in the custody of her husband or in-laws. Right to live with the dignity and self-respect. A wife has the right to live her life with dignity and to have the same lifestyle as that of her husband and in-laws. She has also right to live free from any mental or physical torture. Right to maintenance. Husband and wife must provide maintenance to their minor child. If the wife is incapable of earning, then the husband must provide her financial support. Right to property. The 2005 amendment of the Hindu Succession Act 1956 claims that a daughter, regardless of her marital status, has got equal right to inherit her father's property. A woman can also legally inherit her former husband's property only if the husband hasn't formed a will that excludes her. Additionally, if the husband happens to marry without legally divorcing the first wife, the right to of all his property belongs to the first wife. Right to abortion. The Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act 1971 gives a woman full autonomy to abort a child without the permission of the husband. The upper limit of getting a child aborted has been raised to 24 weeks. A right to report domestic violence. Under the Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act 2005, a woman can file a complaint against her husband and family if he suffers domestic violence such as acts of physical, emotional, sexual, economical violence and other acts of ill treatment. Right to report dowry and harassment. A woman can report against her parental family and in-laws if any exchange of dowry is involved in marital affairs under the Dowry Prohibition Act 1961, Section 304B and 498A of IPC criminalizes the exchange of dowry and any sort of harassment related to it.
మేము చేసే వీడియోస్ మీ మొబైల్ కి నోటిఫికేషన్ రావాలంటే మా ఛానల్ ను సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకుని పక్కనే ఉన్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ యాక్టివేట్ చేసుకోండి.